In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if there is no connections available or not connected on your Windows. So you are not connected to your Wi-Fi and no connections are available. So let's get started. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and here you need to simply type ncpa.cpl and cpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Then here you need to look for your Wi-Fi if this is disabled in your case. Again, if this is disabled in your case. Okay, like that. If this is disabled in your case, then you will probably face the issue. So you need to make sure that this is not disabled by enabling it. So how can you enable it? You just need to simply make a right click and then select enable. Make sure this is not disabled. So you have to enable it from here. Okay, and you will be reconnected into your connection and will identify all the available connections on your Windows. Okay, so as you can see, you are now connected. Then for the next method is we need to make a right click at the start button and then you have to select device manager. Now here in the device manager window, you have to simply locate network adapters. And here you have to locate your network adapter. You have to make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest driver or the driver that will work for you. You can try on this one by one. And then you just have to click on next and Windows will successfully update your drivers. And after that, you need to restart your Windows. So you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows to apply the changes that you have made. Then we can also run some commands for the next method. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. And I have some commands right here. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. Right click, hit enter, and then the second command. So you just need to simply copy and paste it. Control C to copy, and then right click to paste it, hit enter. And now we need to type exit. It will ask you to restart. So you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the final method, we have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type internet options. Click on that under the best match. Then here we have to click on the advanced tab and here you can find this option restore advanced settings. Click on that, click on apply and then you have to click on OK. And that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.